It's not a matter of if the coyotes will come, it's just a matter of when. I'm Brian DeYoung, I am a sheep farmer.
So we always hear coyotes at night, yipping, howling, whether it's difficult to discern where it's coming from, if it's coming from the lake because of the way the wind carries sound.
They have tested us once in the past, about 4 years ago. When I came in the morning, the fence was down, dogs were in, there's coyote hair in the fence.
They generally respond to a perceived threat first vocally. There are challenges with farming here, and one of them is just protecting our livestock from predators. And we have a pretty good staff of livestock guardian dogs, and that's the only reason it works for us here. It's very effective, as well as really incorporating well into the natural environment around us.
They are working dogs, 100% working dogs. So most people that come here think they're herding dogs, and if anything, we find the sheep will follow them anywhere. We employ 15 guardian dogs, and we have yet to have a loss. To me, this is the solution.
A herding dog is not a livestock guardian dog. An Australian Shepherd or a German Shepherd might be a guard dog, but they're not a livestock guardian dog. So breeds like Great Pyrenees, Kuvas, Marimas are actual livestock guardian dogs. They have an instinct to guard and protect livestock.